Malta qed turi lid-dinja li kapaċi tieħu rridni f'idejha u tfassal aġenda li tolqot lill-komunità internazzjonali. Kliem il-Ministru Ingliż għall-Commonwealth Hugo Swire li stqarr kif it-tema taċ-CHOGM Adding Global Value hi riflessjoni biex il-Commonwealth ikun iżjed proattiv bħal istituzzjonijiet oħra.
Be that radicalisation, immigration, climate change as we've discussed, poverty alleviation, education, all these issues, and I think it's an extremely good agenda. And adding global value means that the Commonwealth has to be about doing something different. We're all members of many other organisations, the UN or the EU or NATO. The Commonwealth has to be special. It has to offer something in addition to these other organisations, and I believe it does.
Fi kliemu d-diskussjonijiet dwar dawn is-suġġetti jgħinu biex tonqos id-differenza fih dan il-Commonwealth kif ukoll iwasslu biex l-istati membri jitkellmu l-istess lingwa, partikolarment fejn għandu x'jaqsam it-tibdil fil-klima.
Everyone's thinking in the same way, and I think it's important that we share experience and look at ways of how we can avert what is a horrendous disaster looming for many countries. But I think, again, I say, you say the Commonwealth coming together. The Commonwealth represents a lot of people around the world. It represents countries from Canada through to small islands like the Seychelles, Malta, right the way across to India. It's a huge organisation. A lot of young people, 60% of the Commonwealth is under the age of 30.
Tkellem dwar it-teddida tat-terrorizmu hekk kif nhar il-Ħamis, il-Prim Ministru Ingliż David Cameron qal li hu fid-dover tal-Ingilterra li tipparteċipa fil-koalizzjoni li għandha tiġġieled l-ISIS. Il-Ministru Swire stqarr li t-teddida tal-ISIS trid tkun megħluba permezz tal-għaqda.
So no one is immune, no country is immune from their vile behaviour, and it's important that we all come together to reject the ideology, to reject what they stand for. They're trying to divide us, they're trying to threaten our own values, and they will not be successful if we come together and stand together.
Dan il-kuntest, il-Commonwealth irid iżid id-dialogu u l-ħidma biex ikun indirizzat ir-radikaliżmu u l-estremiżmu.